What's up everybody? Thank you for coming to our channel. This is Jane from Weight Loss segment. In today's video we're gonna talk about how you leverage gluten-free diet to improve your health. So stick around, you may find this video useful. Without further ado, let's get started. At some point in our lives most of us suffer from an allergy of some sort. In many instances dust, pet hair and a number of other pollutants are to blame. However, what a lot of people don't realize is that it may very well be the food that one is eating that is to blame. For example, migraine headaches have been linked to gluten sensitivity, and just by living a gluten-free diet one could alleviate these debilitating migraines. Many children with autism have gastrointestinal difficulties that make it hard for them to digest milk protein properly. Casein is a milk protein found in all dairy products. Another excellent example of controlling an illness with a gluten-free diet is type 1 diabetes, particularly in children. One has to be careful to choose carbohydrates that are low in the glycemic index, mostly fresh vegetables such as spinach and broccoli. Putting your children on a gluten-free diet may sound like a nightmare, however there are some delicious gluten-free diet treats available nowadays. Most local health stores will be able to assist you in finding something your kids will enjoy. Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. It is very important to realize that the most important meal of the day is most certainly breakfast. It can set the mood for your entire day and is also valuable in kick-starting the metabolism. Though breakfast is not only an important meal for those without health issues, a diabetic breakfast is nearly crucial for keeping blood glucose levels stabilized throughout the day. It is essential that children have a good breakfast. It's not all doom and gloom. No one said that living gluten and casein-free diet is easy, but it really isn't all doom and gloom. It has been proven that certain spices such as cinnamon lower blood glucose levels over time. A breakfast of oatmeal and cinnamon will help lower the blood sugar levels first thing in the morning. One could also have gluten-free pancakes with lecithin and cinnamon as a treat. Egg whites on whole grain toast also provide a good kickstart to the day. Many food manufacturing companies are making a gluten-free diet a lot easier to live with. Always read the labels on products if you are not sure. There are foods such as peanut butter, buttermilk, tahini, gelatin, syrup, jam, honey, soft drinks and many other items labeled as gluten-free. The best way to manage gluten intolerance is with a gluten-free diet. A gluten and casein-free diet allows the small intestines to heal. After recovery, the intestines can then assist in normal absorption of nutrients as waste passes through it. This is essential for the body to obtain all the vital nutrients it needs to sustain itself. A gluten-free diet will not only make you feel a lot healthier, but your energy and concentration levels will also be much higher. Many have remarked that they have never felt so alive and full of energy in their lives. So I really hope that this video will help you, and let me know your experience. Leave a comment, and I will stay in touch with all of you. Bye for now.